Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this complete solution of pre-calculus session. Today we'll discuss application problems, 45 and 46. So we are going to talk about problem 46 similar. It is from chapter 3.1. Right, so let's have a look at the problem. These are word problems, so we need to read them very uh, specifically or carefully. তো আমরা সুন্দরভাবে প্রবলেমটা পড়ে ইনশাল্লাহ বুঝবো। The problem title is a straight line depreciation. Suppose that a company has just purchased a new machine for its manufacturing facility for 1200 and 1,20,000 dollars. The company chooses to depreciate the machine using the straight line method over 10 years. The company একটা মেশিন কিনেছে 1,20,000 টাকা দিয়ে এবং তারা 10 বছর ইউজ করতে চায়। ভ্যালুটা কমবে একটা লিনিয়ার মডেলে, যে এটা হচ্ছে 10 বছরে। তো আমাদের 10 বছর ইকুয়ালি প্রাইসটা ডিক্রিজ করবে, সো উইল ডিভাইড বাই 10। সো রাইট এ লিনিয়ার মডেল এক্সপ্রেস the book value V of the machine as a function of its age. তো x টাকে আমরা বলছি এখানে age. Okay, so write a linear model that express the book value V of the machine as a function of age. Then the second part, what is the implied domain of the function found in part A? Third part, need to draw the graph of this linear function. And D, what is the book value of the machine after 3 years? And the last question E, the fifth part, is when will the machine have a book value $72,000? Okay, so আমাদের তো মডেল এক্সপ্রেস করতে হবে, since it says এই প্রবলেমে বলা হচ্ছে যে the straight line method over 10 years, the depreciation value and initial value is this. So clearly we can just let's try to solve these questions. So it is given, let part A, B is the book value of a machine. The answer is actually written in the question যদি আমরা ভালোভাবে পড়ি তাহলে আমরা এখন বুঝতে পারবো P এটাকে বলা হচ্ছে the machine as a function of its age. So X denotes the machine age. So a machine of age X. So here clearly given V0. V0 is $1,20,000 and the price depreciate. So straight line method. So slope is here minus 120,000 divided by for 10 years. So divided by 10. So which is 120. Also will reduce the dollar. So therefore we got this is our y-intercept and this is the slope. So basically the linear model is f of x equals to mx plus b. So therefore we can write v of x in terms of its like f of x, v of x. So m is minus 120 100 x plus this is the initial cost $1,20,000. So this is the part one. So we found the function for the value of the machine linear model. B is a function of x. What is the implied domain of the function in the part A? So for part B, a domain must have the 0 is at initial. So V of x and then V of x cannot be it will be zero when the age is the price cannot be negative. So the value b must be v of x must be greater or equal 0, and it will become 0. So therefore must be greater or equal 0. That means we must have 120x plus this. So yeah, so equal 0, must be greater or equal 0, and then we can have this common, and we have x minus 10. So greater or equal 0, and so and if we divide this x minus 10 must be less or equal 0. So x must be less than or equal to 10. And the s cannot be negative. So therefore, and x must be less than 10, and and also we can say also the age of the machine must be greater than or equal to 0. So the implied domain here, যে ডোমেইনটা এখানে ব্যবহৃত হবে, domain of V is set of all x is such that x is greater or equal to 0 and less than 10. So this is our part 2, part B. Let's have a show the domain found in part A. We get the domain and graph the linear function. Now the question is graph the linear function. So we need to draw the graph of V. So part C, that is simply linear function, and along in its graph it is x, and along y-axis the book value of the machine, and we can see it could be from 0 to 10. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2 units we choose, and we have initial value is 1,20,000. So we can have this uh, 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000, 100,000, 120. So in this case, we are taking $1,000. So this is 20. So this is the initial price of the machine, y-intercept, and we also have it has a depreciate value will become 0 at 10 years. So we can just use these 2 points to draw the graph of the function. So v of x it is, which is minus 1,200x plus 1,20000. So this is the graph of the function. So it is simple line draw. So সুন্দর করে আমরা লাইনটা এঁকে ফেললাম খুব সহজ করে। Now এখন আমরা fourth problem we যাও. What is the book value of the machine after 4 years? So we got the model, linear model for the function. Now what is the book value of this machine after 4? Well, the price will depreciate কমতে থাকবে. So V of 4. So we'll substitute x by 4, and then we'll calculate the result. And I have this, you can calculate easily. I will left it for you. And then part E, let's go to the part E, last part of this problem, which is when will the machine have a book value 72,000? So in this part, given V of x is $72,000, and we need to find the x value at what age. That means we can write minus 10220x plus 12000 equals to 72. And now we need to solve this equation for x, and it's very straightforward. I guess you can do this. So minus 1200x equals to 72,000 minus 120,000. So this is basically 20 and minus, so you can solve it. So you can have this result, which is minus 28 and 20, 48,000. So x would be 4 years. So I hope this is the correct answer. And you may always check this answer by yourself. And again, here before it is also, you see, 72,000, so I guess, dollar. So that's all for this session, and you can try the other problem 45, and there is an example, similar example in the book. So I hope this tutorial will help you a lot, and let us know how it's going. Give your comments, subscribe our channel, follow us on Facebook, and please visit our website for exclusive PDF books and exclusive course like LaTeX, Python, Vedic math, and so on. Thank you for watching.